Gang, 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 gang. What's good, YouTube gang? You don't know where I deal with today, no, man. We're back in the lab. You see me and say with another mad reaction. You see me and say, yeah, man, gang. You see what I deal with today? Yeah, man, we're back in the lab with none other than Mr. V6 himself. You see me and say, yeah, Mr. Malie Donn, the one named 53. I was with that I deal with. You don't know, Malie Donn, one of the best out of 6. You see me and say, hey, dog, got how long 6 of? Well, Ima daddy one how long 6 so far since squash get like whole lock up and thing, you see me and say. So I see where Malie Donn deal with that. The other day dog have a wicked show. I forgot where it was exactly. I forgot if it was in Trinidad or overseas. I gotta look that up again. But dog, they have a wicked show there, man. The crowd was going crazy. You see me and say. But we now will vibe much longer. I see where Malie Donn deal with today. We're back in the lab. You see me, Malie Donn 53. Yo, gang, let's get it. Yeah. Oh, go on, pan the one, yeah. Well, on the Malie, look at you about the job crazy on this. Dog na Louis V, puff pan a spliff. Go on, show. I saw watch.
It's like you know, see when man a meds. We can up in a be my rabens. Spin it up on our hands. If I don't send, we'll up, we go kill a man again.
Wanna see what we are meds, dog? Gonna pick up our be my rabens. You know where we are? Ah, fuck time. Mama, oh Lord, Mama got the tatties out, the biddies out. What's going on? Hey.
We can up in a be my rabens.
Yes.
Spin it up on our hands. If I don't send, we'll up, we go kill a man again.
But you spin the tea that pan our hands. If a man do what?
Spin it up on our hands. If I don't send, we'll up, we go kill a man again. 53 no park up the service. Those boy done some fuck.
Hey, 53 no park up the service, brand new GLE for the black hair boy.
53 no park up the service.
No.
Those boy done some fuck we learning.
Yeah.
Big body bitch love to twerking.
Yeah.
He go to belly gal come for surgery.
Come for surgery, gal. I want to you what you feel like. You feel a plaything?
53 no park up the service.
How about that?
Those boy done some fuck we learning. Big body bitch love to twerking.
Yes.
He go to belly gal come for surgery. Antoine go CLS 53. Tan Sky go he 53. This a dirty bitch me need. Come just lift up a GLE 53.
More class C53, E53 and a GLE. A 53 and there is a dirty bitch that is blood.
I go he 53. This a dirty bitch me need. Come just lift up a GLE 53. Rich she need, she no fucking for free. Check me squeeze, cap a block in the knee.
Yeah.
Go flick the cheese and no nothing to weak. And the blood club right now coming to shit.
Bombo clean, flick the cheese and nothing to get a bright about coming out. I feel like I try to
Rich she need, she no fucking for free. Check me squeeze, cap a block in the knee. Go flick the cheese and no nothing to weak. And the blood club right now coming to shit. At least drop this, then you man. Bad bitch, bad free, get new dollars.
Bombo, where I say, where I say, Malie, why hear that?
Blood club right now coming to shit. At least drop this, then you man.
You say at least drop beast, what?
At least drop this, then you man.
At least drop beast.
Bitch, bad free, get new dollars. Something that I be sad. Go far like squatting in a preacher. Who did not belly me go down to the seat.
More class time in the beast, yeah, go on through.
Bad bitch, bad free, get new dollars. Something that I be sad. Go far like squatting in a preacher. Who did not belly me go down to the seat. God damn it, we must squeeze off. I want to damage her. Me and me girl a shoot out. She love me so she no bother move out. While me the
Me and me girl a shoot out to blood clash level so she don't move on. I girl a gun fight, brother. You know the girl a shoot out to blood clean. I go at you. Mr. and Mrs. Smith. I don't know you got you.
Me and me girl a shoot out. She love me so she no bother move out. Meanwhile me the inner and a suit out. And I got inna the Mediterranean and a cool out.
And a suit out, blood clean. Go at you. In the Mediterranean. Go at you.
Meanwhile me the inner and a suit out. And I got inna the Mediterranean and a cool out. About your throat if you grab a new mouth. God damn how me cool me if you grab a new out.
That was a true again, a new motto. Like that, you know.
Pull out, about your throat, you fi grab a new mouth. Cat them out, me cool, me fi grab a new coat. Me sober, so me no bother booze out. Give your body till you stammer, till your grandma lose out. Hacking with trap, me tag me like fraud. Stacking the cash, me charge it driver. College, she got for me, she iPad. Girl, now me make action, know me life mad. It's like an...
Oh, I got the college, the cough. Oh, no know about. Oh, no about the college, the cough, bro. What you?
I lose out. Hacking with trap, me tag me like fraud. Stacking the cash, me charge it driver. College, she got for me, she iPad. Girl, now me make action, know me life mad. It's like you see when man a meds. Pick her up in a be mad again. Spin it up on her hands. If I nothing send, we'll up, we go kill a man again. Hot leads drop beast, tell you man.
Yeah, hot leads drop beast. Hey!
Bad bitch, bad free, get new dollars. I mean, that means ya. We go far like squatting in a preacher. Who in a belly, me go down me to go see ta. God damn it, me must sneeze off.
Hey, what did I meet? Got you!
Me and me gyal a shoot out. She love me so she no bother move out. Meanwhile me the inner and a suit out. And a yacht inna the Mediterranean and a cool out. About your throat.
Easy now, man. That was just like clean weathers.
No bother move out. Meanwhile me the inner and a suit out. And a yacht inna the Mediterranean and a cool out. About your throat if you grab a new mouth. Cat them out me cool me fi grab a new coat. Me sober so me no bother booze out.
Whoa, so we never that booze out, you. You see me now, me when I say, hey! At least drop peace, hey! Mad thing. Easy, you know? Yes, man, dog. Full look at the dog eyes too, man. Yeah, I saw for real. Go on, show. Yeah, and all that the Julie look crazy. Crazy. Rich, blood clean. Running show. Yeah. That is it. Directed by Chad Henry.
Yo, Kuya watching our creative click shoot the one I hear that.
Click. Creative clip 53, Malie Donn. Hey, man, I like the one day, you know, dog. Malie went crazy on that. Blood clean, dog. Say, yo, 53. Dog went C53. Then he had to go E53. He need a bad bitch, can just drop a GLE 53. Blood clean. Yeah. Blood clean. Easy now, Malie. Hey, dog, say.
It's like you know see when man a
Meds. Just pick her up in a big Benz.
Pick her up in a be mad Benz. Spin it up on her hands. If I nothing send, we'll up and go kill a man again. 53 no park up for service.
53 no park up for service.
Cause boy done some fuck we learning. Big body bitch love with working and big out to
Medical comfy surgery.
Comfy surgery. Canton go CLS 53. Tan Sky go E53. This a dirty bitch me need. Come just me up a GLE 53.
Nah, go see 53. This guy go E53. It's a dirty bitch me need. Come and just drop a GLE 50. Hey, this is a fun track. Shout out to Malie, dog. Let me know what y'all think about this in the comment section. Malie is on a roll. Keep doing his thing, man. You see me I say? Yeah, I like it. You see me I say, Malie, keep doing your thing, dog. Keep dropping these bangers. Keep selling out the shows and rocking the shows and going crazy, man. You see me I say, I do your thing, my G. You see me I say? Yeah, man, the dog didn't know if you drop the tune them for the girl them, for the thugs them, the hustlers, the scammers. You see me I say? Yeah, man, do your thing. Energy up on the song, I was going crazy. You see me I say? Yeah, man. Let's chop it up in the comment section though, guys. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. I'm out.